Welcome to the tutorial video for credit management. We will guide you about how you can check previous records as well as extend credit to customers using BPCL Smart Fleet. To manage and extend credit to Smart Fleet customers, you must first log in to the Hello BPCL portal using the registered user credentials. On successful authentication, you will land on the dashboard. From the left navigation, you can select Credit Management. On the Credit Management page, you will get a consolidated view of the total credit limit, total receivables, and the receivable as per last cycle. You will also be able to view a list of all the credit that have been extended to various Smart Fleet customers. You can view further information on credit extended by clicking on the arrow on each line item. You can view the transactions consuming the limit extended to the Smart Fleet customer. Each transaction displays the fleet card details, fuel consumed, and the status of the transaction. You can view the transactions that are currently receivable and transactions which have been settled. For settled transactions, you can also view the settlement details, such as posting time and posting number. You can view the settlement details pertaining to each fleet account by clicking on Settlement History. This gives a view of the account, payment date, number of transactions, and amount that were settled. To extend credit to a Smart Fleet customer, you can click on Extend Credit on the Credit Management page. You can search for the customer by entering the FA ID in the search bar. Once the search is complete, you can select the FA ID and information pertaining to the customer will be populated on the screen. You can first enter the amount of credit to be extended. The start date of the cycle by default is selected as the date on which credit is extended. You can select the credit cycle to establish when payment will become due from the customer. You can also set the statement generation period by entering the number of days after which the settlement will be generated. This must be less than the credit cycle. For example, if the credit cycle is 30 days and statement generation is in 20 days, the payment due period will be 10 days. Once you enter these details and click on Proceed Ahead, you will see a summary screen where comments can be added. After accepting the terms and clicking on Extend Credit, an OTP will be generated. On successful authentication, you will see a success screen. You can then view this credit extended on the Credit Management page. You also have the option to edit all the details of the credit extended by clicking on Edit in the expanded view. You can also mark the credit as inactive to temporarily stop the credit extended to the fleet account. Here, you can also alter the credit limit extended to the customer. On editing these details, you will be required to complete an OTP verification. Once verification is complete, updated details will appear in the Credit Management page. So this is how you can edit and manage credit to a Smart Fleet customer.